This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming management and permissions because that defines what you can legally install. If the Chromebook is school-managed, administrators can block extensions. Trying to override policies can break rules and hardware warranties. Once done, check the Chrome Web Store and Play Store availability on this device. Make sure to document why you need an extension, educational purpose, classroom tool, or accessibility improvement so you can justify a request to IT. This step saves time and keeps you compliant. You now prepare a clear, professional request for your school's IT or admin team. Explain the how and why, what classroom problem the extension solves, and any privacy or security considerations. Once submitted, offer to let them test it on a teacher device or limited pilot so they can assess impact. Make sure to attach links to the extension page and developer info, plus permissions it requires. This collaborative approach often succeeds faster than asking peers or attempting workarounds. Once you get approval, install only from the Chrome Web Store or Google Play Store so you avoid untrusted files. You should review requested permissions, run a quick test, and verify it behaves as expected. Keep screenshots or notes of functionality for teachers and IT. If installation fails or the extension is blocked, do not attempt policy circumvention. Collect error messages and contact IT with clear steps to reproduce the issue. That troubleshooting info helps admins resolve policy settings for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.